Guys, Eddie from Harlem Bling. I just came back from Walmart. I was there buying some stuff for the house, and I happened to notice that they also sell jewelry as well as watches. And I was really surprised about what I've seen there. In a good and a bad way. You'll see in a minute. In a good way, their watches, for the price that they're selling, if you're balling on a budget, are not bad starter pieces. Is a Harlem Bling watch better? Of course it is. It looks nicer. The mechanism is better. The stones are moissanite. But if you need a watch just to tell time, if you're working with your hands and you don't want to damage one of my watches, it's a good watch to check out. Their jewelry, however, they're selling brass with rhinestone crosses like this for 20 bucks. At Harlem Bling, you can get a moissanite one for 15. Brass chains, $15-20 when you can get a
Guys, we're in the
Walmart.
Let's take a look at their jewelry selection. But even before we get to that, what does Walmart have for watches? Honestly, great prices. $9.88, $9.99, $9.88. Look at this, $13.98. You get a woman's watch and a brass chain. This is not bad for 10 bucks. Honestly, if you have $10 and you want to buy a watch, I would suggest you go to Walmart. Huge variety. Look at this. This is like almost like a AP style watch. $10. Granted, it's scratched already. The face is already scratched. This is obviously not sapphire. No, not this one. The quality looks like dog shit. But maybe something like this if you have $10. Notice it's not a sweeping hand, but still, it's amazing to think how for $10 they get a product, they can put it into packaging, bring it, you know, this is like a fake G-Shock. $10. Does the light work? The light even works. Pretty impressive, honestly. For the price, it's pretty impressive. Now let's look at the jewelry. $24.94. What is this? Is this silver? Fine silver plated, cubic zirconia. Damn, this is ugly. So they combined a rope chain with a tennis, and this honestly is the lowest. The way I can tell is by how worn the stones are. This is the lowest of the low. This is really rhinestones. They call it cubic zirconia because, you know, you can call anything cubic zirconia. $25. Guys, you spend an extra $50 and you get a real tennis chain from Harlem Bling, real silver, not silver plated, or you get a real rope chain for $25. This is ugly. Look how it's already tangled on this side. Garbage, garbage. How about this? Earrings, $15. Silver plated. Why would you spend $15 on silver plated earrings? You can get real moissanite with silver for about 30 bucks at Harlem Bling. $15 for this trash. This cross. Again, this is cubic zirconia with a necklace, but this is not silver. Garbage. A ring, 3 rings, $15. And again, different Walmarts are different. This seems not to have the largest selection. Maybe they are selling it, maybe nobody buys it so they don't restock it, but you know, it's trash. What is nice, however, is this. Guys, this is a good Walmart buy. This is a good Walmart buy. What's actually funny is how this is fine jewelry cleaner wouldn't work for any of this trash Walmart jewelry because they don't sell real silver. Listen guys, this is what you go to Walmart for. Buy your little 5-year-old daughter some jewelry. Buy a headband. Don't buy jewelry at Walmart. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe some Walmarts have different quality. Necklace mega pack, $5, guaranteed to turn your neck green. What's the point? You spend $20 and get real silver. These are not thick chains. You can spend literally $20 and get real silver. Garbage, junk, absolute junk. If anything, the watches I do recommend. Here's some more higher end watches. Here's a G-Shock 32. That's not bad. That's definitely not bad. But this, honestly, back in the day, I would have taken this whole display case and probably turned it upside down. This is trash. Pooh. This is what I think of it.